Hey Queens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Inga and today I will be showing you how to label your lip glosses or any other products that you have. I am using the Silhouette Cameo and I purchased this, or I received it as a gift from Michael's like some years ago. You can use a Cricut or whatever type of machine that you have, cutting machine that is, and this can save you lots of money, guys. So sit back, relax, and let's get this video going. So to make these labels, I'll be using my Silhouette Cameo, and I had this as a gift some time ago from Michael's. I'm gonna open it for you guys to see how it looks inside. So yeah, that's the auto blade right there, and it has these compartments that you can pull out where it houses the weed tools and some other little stuff that comes with it, like rulers and scrapers and stuff like that. And you turn it on from this side there. I know my lighting is not good, but we'll get through this. And that's the auto blade right there. This machine, you can use any type of vinyl, like you can use Cricut, you can use Caesar. So if you're looking at your left, that's my logo right there. I already did the sizing, the size that I want, and I'm just going to take it and place it into the cutting mat area right there. Also added 3 rows, and I'm just spacing it out so that it can get a better cut. I don't want any mishaps right here. So I'm just going to move them around a little bit more. Try to position them onto the mat where they can be cut correctly, and so that I don't waste any paper. So I'm going to send it now to the cutting area to be cut. And if you look at your left, you see everything is in bright red, the logo. So that means it's ready to cut. So I'm using the Cricut vinyl, and I'll put the correct vinyl that I'm using in the description box below. But before I send it to the machine, I'm going to have to place the material onto the mat, into my Silhouette. And what you're looking at right now are the auto blade settings. So everything is set and ready to be cut. So let me just place the vinyl into the Silhouette to get this started. I'm just going to press the load button. So everything is cutting correctly, and when the machine stops cutting, you just hit the unload button there. I'm just cutting the areas out. If you notice the logos earlier, they had little red boxes around them. It makes it easier to weed your project out. So there you have one of them, and that's my transfer tape right there. Going to continue weeding this, and then I'll place the transfer tape onto the top of the area. So I'm going to do a couple examples for you guys. And this is the first one, and I'm going to go more in depth with the other one. There you have it. So I'm just going to continue weeding this material, and I'm just doing another one for you guys. So I'm going to take the transfer tape, and you peel this. It has a backing on it, and you place it onto your logo. Take your scraping tool and smooth it off, or use some pressure or force so that it sticks well onto the transfer tape. So I'm placing it now onto the lip gloss, and I'm just trying to get the sides even. I don't want it to be uneven, and I'm trying to center it properly. So when you place this on, make sure you use the scraping tool again with force or a little pressure so that the logo sticks properly. You don't have to worry when you do that. It will not come off. It's the perfect way how to do a logo, and you can save yourself some money by doing it at home yourself. Just peeling it off, and there you have it, the perfect logo. So I'm just showing you how they look on the 3 types of tubes that I have. But guys, these are all done, and these are some ways in which you can save some money, like I said earlier. So that's the finished product, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like these videos, and I'll see you guys next time.